In this video, we'll take a look at a simple yet quite profitable day trading strategy that utilizes only 2 indicators, so it's great for beginners. We will also backtest the strategy at the end of the video to prove it's not just talk. Now if that sounds good to you, definitely smash that like button and subscribe. And now let's roll the disclaimer and get right into it. What you can see is the chart of Bitcoin US dollar tether on the 5-minute time frame. Feel free to use different financial instruments such as Forex or experiment with different time frames. However, the strategy is designed for scalping and day trading, so I wouldn't go past 15 or 30 minutes. Also, I recommend the 5-minute, as it gives you a good time to performance ratio. In other words, it doesn't take too long for an opportunity to form, but you also don't have to sit through every single candle, and the reward can, at least when you trade Bitcoin, be quite solid. Okay, let's now add our indicators to the chart. First, you want to add the TMO by Lux Algo, and second, the moving average exponential. The first indicator is somewhat similar to the MACD indicator, however it gives much more precise entry signals whilst automatically tracking divergences for you. We will need the moving average exponential to identify whether there is a clear trend or whether the market is going sideways. We will also need to quickly adjust these indicators, so let's click on the EMA and change the length to 200. We can also adjust the color or the thickness of it, so it's a little more visible. Then we need to adjust the TMO indicator, so let's click on it and change the length to 6. Now as the indicators are all set up, we can get into the rules of the strategy. For both long and shorts, we will firstly need to identify the trend of the current market. We can do that using our 200 period moving average exponential. If the price is trading above it and is actively breaking structure and making higher highs and higher lows, we know that we are in a bullish trend and we will only long. If the price is trading below the moving average whilst making lower lows and lower highs, we know that we are in a bearish trend and we will only sell short. The price can also trade around the moving average and trade sideways sometimes. When that happens, we will take both long and short positions. For a long entry to be valid, we need to identify a bullish trend or a sideways market. After we've done that, we can start looking at the TMO indicator for an entry. That will occur in the form of a buy signal below the indicator. Once the signal is printed and the candle has closed, we will go long. Our stop will be set below the latest low and we will target twice the risk. Exactly opposite rules apply for short positions. The trend needs to be either bearish or sideways, and we need to get a sell signal from our TMO indicator. We will once again enter at the close of the candlestick, set our stop loss above the latest high and target twice the risk. Make sure to always wait for the close of the candlestick, because the trade signals can still change if the candlestick suddenly goes the other way. Now let me show you a couple more trading examples so you understand the strategy properly, and you know exactly when to long and when to short. Okay traders, I hope you have understood exactly how the strategy works, and now it's time to backtest it. If not, you can always go back and re-watch the video or drop your question down below. Now let's not waste any more time and get into the backtesting. So as you can see, we've finished with the backtests and the results are pretty solid. We have made 200 trades in the span of about 2 months, and the account has grown by 170% without the use of any leverage, which I would not recommend to anybody who's just starting out, since it can lead to you blowing your account. The win rate of the strategy is 65%, however that is without counting the fees and the spreads on your exchange. Still, it is a strategy that definitely delivers and can make you some profits. If you are new to this channel and you are an aspiring trader, definitely consider subscribing, because there are many more great trading videos coming that you don't want to miss. And if you have a strategy or an indicator that you would like us to check out, then comment below. With that said, I wish you all the best in your trading journey, stay true to your trading edge, and I will see you next time.